trim clip remover tool. Take this push pin out, just like that. We can slide this carpet out of the way. And there's two wing nuts right here. Just take these off. And take that one off as well. You can grab the light from the front. You can try to grab it from here and pull. If it's a little bit difficult, use a trim tool. And just push. There's a little pin right there. Now we can disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab and slide the connector off. Do the same with this one. A little tab and slide it off. If you struggle taking the taillight off, it may be clipped in underneath here, and this bracket might have separated from the vehicle. To get this bracket off, we can take these push pins out. Just use a trim tool. Take all 4 of those out. There's 3 screws right here that need to come out. I'm going to use a 7mm socket. Take those out. Then I can just grab this piece of the bumper, just forcefully pull it out, just like that. It's clipped in all along here, just like that. And we can slide the bumper out just enough so that we can remove this. You can either take a trim tool, or if it's already hanging off, pull it off. It comes right out. On the back side of the new one, if it comes with that bracket and you don't want to use that bracket, you can just use a straight blade screwdriver, put a little pressure from the front, push it back. You can slide this bracket right off, just like that. Or you can leave it on. It's a good idea to replace the reverse light bulb. Even though it comes with a bulb, it may be a temporary bulb. Take the bulb out, get a new bulb, or swap out your old one. Then push the socket back in and twist it to the right. Now I'll take the taillight, connect the connectors, lock it in place. Now I'll line this up and give it a push. If you're putting this bracket on, you want to lock that in place and then lock that pin in, just like that. Now I can realign this bumper cover. Make sure that inner fender well is pushed in, and just line this up. Reinstall these 3 screws and tighten them down. And take the push pins, push those back in. Now from the inside, we can reinstall these wing nuts right here, and tighten them down. And we can install this carpet. You can just fold it underneath the carpet below. Line that up and line up that push pin. There you go.